Good morning, online owls. It's your Friday assembly. Today is October 16th, 2020. Let's start by getting moving this morning.
I'm Athena.
I'm Serena.
And I'm Kai.
And you're watching NTV, Noodle Television.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me. So makes me say, oh my, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and to hype. It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the old town and I'm known as such. And this is the beat that you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living and you know. Can't touch this. Look at my eyes, man. Touch this. Yo, let me bust a funky lyric. Fresh new kicks and pants. You got it like that, so you know you wanna dance. So move out of your seat and get a fly girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit, let them know what's going on like that. Like that. Come on a minute, so make a ball back. Let them know that you're too much. And this is the beat you can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammer's just so hype. I'm dope on the floor and I'm magic on the mic. Now why would I ever stop doing this when others making records that just don't hit? I've torn around the world from London to the Bay. It's hammer go hammer MC hammer yo hammer and the rest can go and play. Touch this. You can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Wow, those are some moves. I hope you were moving around this morning. Let's take a look at our announcements. I want to welcome all of our new Online OWL students. We're so happy to have you at our school. Shout out to all the third graders that made cards for Second Harvest at the virtual food drive. I got a lot of cards when we were doing the materials pickup day. Thank you, third graders. The virtual food drive is underway. I need you to talk with your family and friends about contributing to the food drive. We've already raised over $1,600 towards our goal of $4,000. Speaking of the materials pickup, you should have gotten a paper that had a pumpkin on it, and you can enter the Santa Rita and Online OWL Pumpkin Decorating Contest. The details are in the virtual voice and on the pumpkin template that was sent home with your materials. All the entries are due by October 29th. And now we've come to Friday's joke. What did one pickle say to the other pickle who wouldn't stop complaining? Deal with it. Have a great day of learning and a fantastic weekend.